Hello everyone. Today I will help you resolve the unsupported region error in Telegram wallet, ensuring you can access your digital assets without any issue. So now let's get started. So first, ensure that your current region supports Telegram wallet services. Some regions may have restrictions due to regulatory policies. You can check the list of supported regions on Telegram's official website or within the app's help section. Next is an outdated app version might cause compatibility issues. So update Telegram for the latest version via the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to ensure all features function properly. Next, use a virtual private network. If you are in an unsupported region, using a VPN can help bypass regional restrictions. Choose a reputable VPN service, connect to a server in a supported region, and then access Telegram wallet. Remember to comply with all local laws and regulations when using a VPN. Now, if the issue still persists, reach out to Telegram support team for assistance. Provide them with the detailed information about the error and your current region to receive tailored support. And that is how you can fix the unsupported region error in the Telegram wallet. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.